I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the physical sources. Plug in drives, unlock RAID or NAS, and confirm clips appear in Finder or Explorer. Once done, note the original folder hierarchy and file extensions so Resolve can relink accurately. Open Davinci Resolve and load the project where media went offline, or create a fresh project if you prefer a clean test. Make sure Resolve has permission to access external drives. On Mac OS, check security and privacy. This initial setup prevents wasted relink attempts later. Next, focus on relinking. Select offline clips in the media pool, right-click and choose Relink Selected Clips, then navigate to the parent folder and enable Include Subfolders so Resolve can scan recursively. If file names changed, use the Clip Attributes panel to match timecode or create a temporary folder with identical names. For clips with unsupported or problematic codecs, transcode them to DNxHR or ProRes using Media Encoder or Davinci's media page. This eliminates decoder issues and speeds timeline playback. To finish, scrub your timelines and confirm every clip is online. If playback stutters, enable render cache or create optimized media for heavy codecs. Once clips are relinked, generate optimized media to ensure smooth editing and color work. If some clips still refuse to relink, export a small EDL or XML and re-import after manually placing source files into a clean folder that matches expected names. Troubleshooting tip: if many links fail, back up the project, then repair or restore the Resolve database to recover missing link mappings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.